Okay, let's now solve example trying to show how to rationalize Surds. So this is the first example that is there. So now let's do that. I want you to follow me step at a time. We have solution. So they gave us this. Now we want to rationalize it. I also want you to pay attention how to get easily without stressing much time. So we have 3 plus root 2 all over root 5 plus root 3. Then times, and I told you rationalization is at the denominator. Anywhere the denominator or the sign that is in between them. That's the only thing, which is the conjugate. I've said it earlier in the previous video. The sign will change. This one here, everything here, we'll repeat it here up and down, but the sign is the only thing that will change. So now I have root 5 minus root 3 all over root 5 minus root 3. So now we are going to multiply in order for us to get the answer. So now this thing will give you 3 plus root 2 all in brackets root 5 minus root 3. We close the bracket all over root 5 plus root 3 root 5 minus root 3. So now there is something I want you to note here in case if you want to get the answer without stressing much time. The denominator of this thing, the fraction, the final result we got here, the denominator, you notice that what is here is root 5 plus root 3. What is the other bracket? Root 5 minus 3. It means that two of them are the same but has opposite sign. So as a result of it, there's something I want you to know. We are going to focus on the first number here and the last one here and all that. First number here and the last one here. So but the upper one, we are going to still expand it. So we are going to expand it, but this one we are not going to stress much time in expanding it. We are going to get the final answer instantly because of time. So we now have equal to the first one, which is 3 root 5 minus root 3, then plus 2 here will come outside. Root 5 minus root 3, you close it. Then here under, we are not going to stretch our time, we are going to focus on here. Root 5 all square minus root 3. There is something called difference of 2 square. That's the result this thing is going to give us. Root 5 all square minus. So we are not going to stretching our time expanding this because it's going to take our time. If it's in exam, because you have the foreknowledge of it, you are not going to be stressing your time trying to apply the same thing you apply at the numerator. It's just simply the first number. You know, the only thing you will have to know is the number that is here and the number that is here. What is here is root 5, while what is here is root 3. Just square here, square here. Forget about this one and all that. So we are not going to get. You're not going to get equal to, this one will be 3 root 5 minus 3 root 3. Just pay attention. Then plus root 2 times plus root 5 will give you plus root 10. Then plus minus here will give you minus. Plus root 2 times will give you root 6. So we are through with the denominator. Oh, sorry, numerator. So now let's go to denominator. You know that this thing, root of any number, squaring it will give you that number inside alone. Root of, note what I'm saying, root of any number, squaring